Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever waited several minutes for Python packages to install, or struggle with virtual environments, dependency conflicts, and slow package installation? If yes, then what if I told you there is a modern tool that can replace pip? Okay, and that is UV. UV is much more faster than pip, an extremely fast Python package and project manager that is written in Rust. Okay, that's why it is very fast. You can see over here that it is 10 to 100x faster than pip, and you can see the installation time. UV, it will take just only 0.06 per second, whereas the pip taking 4.6 seconds. Okay, it is much faster than pip. So that's why if you use UV in your project, so it will be more faster. Okay, and easy, because the syntax of the UV is very more easy and it is more compatible. Okay, provide comprehensive project management with a universal log file. They provide a universal log file, run script with support for inline dependency metadata, installs and manages Python version. You can actually install new different kind of Python version and use it in your project. In case of the pip, you have to just install the Python one Python version that have to use the whole project. But in case of the UV, you can use different Python version in a different project. Okay, that's a very good use cases. Runs and install tools published as Python packages. You can also publish tools as a Python packages using UV. Okay, that's why UV is more faster, mainly faster than it is written in Rust. Okay, and there's a installation. You have to just copy this uh, clipboard, and you have to just paste it in the PowerShell, and the UV will be installed. Okay. Also, you can use pip to install the UV. Okay. Let's see how you can actually install the UV in the another VS Code. That's why this is my VS Code interface. So I created a folder, and I'll just go to the terminal. This is a terminal, new terminal, and just I write pip install UV. Okay, it is showing that the requirement already satisfied. It means that I have already installed the UV. Actually, I've done this. If you haven't installed UV earlier, so it will take some time to install it. Okay, then you have to initialize the UV. That's why I have to use the one command, that is UV init. Okay, and your project name, like I suppose give my project. Okay, you can give name as you wish. I just suppose give my project, for example, UV init my project, and it is created. Okay, it is my project. Okay, and under this you can see the Python version. I now I use 3.13. There's also a Python file, py project tool, everything that's written over here, the version, name, project name, readme file name. Okay, and readme file also. Okay, like suppose I want to create a virtual environment. Okay, before that I have to just cd to my project. So I just say cd my project, because under this I will create the virtual environment, my project, and now I will create virtual environment. So in case of creating virtual environment in using conda or pip, so you have to written a long sentence like right. But in case of you have to write only uv virtual environment, EVENV. Okay, the virtual environment created like this. Okay, VNV. And if you want to activate this, so you have to just copy this command and just paste it. Okay, the virtual environment will be created. Activate. Okay, virtual environment activated. Okay, you can see over here. Okay. Like suppose I want to install one packages like numpy. I want to install numpy. So in case of when you use pip, you have to write pip install pandas numpy. Okay, but in case of uv, you have to just write uv numpy. Okay, no, uv add numpy. Okay, and you can see over there. Okay, the numpy installed. Okay, and like suppose you are going to you are going to install many packages that I have that we actually done inside the requirement.txt file. Okay, like suppose I want to create a one file dot requirement.txt where I will list down lots of packages and I'll install it at once. So how you can do this? Let me see. I just create a file requirement.txt and I just created in the wrong direction. I have to create in the my project. So docs.txt. Like suppose I want to install pandas. Okay, let's see how you can actually do this. In case of the pip, you have to use pip install minus hyphen r requirement.txt. But in case of the uv, you have to just write uv add hyphen r file name requirement.txt. Okay, just uv add hyphen r r e e i r e n t s. Just I just give a space before r. That's why it is showing the error. Let's see the numpy pandas install so quickly. Okay, so quickly and very quickly. Okay, like suppose I have file that main.py and if you want to run this file using uv, just you have to give this prompt, right? Uv run python main.py. Okay, you can see hello from my project. Okay, hello from my project. That is how you have to run the python file. Okay, that is so this is how you can actually use uv to create your to manage your packages and project. So I think uv is more faster than pip. So for next time I'll all the time use uv. So in your project also you can use uv. So that is the video. If you like this particular video and if you have anything, any query in your mind, please let me know in the comment section. I'll reply back your query. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.